Being an elite sport, golf requires a lot of accessories and additional gadgets for precise and compelling gameplay. Whether you are a professional or a beginner, the ability to detect hazards, distance, and blockades can enhance the quality of your game. For this, a rangefinder is a valuable accessory. It comes in several styles, allowing players to improve the game's quality and skill set. In this video, we have evaluated tips to find the right rangefinder and the different types you can purchase. It can be hard to pick out the perfect rangefinder that fits all of your needs. This is why we have put together the most popular rangefinders of 2023 that will help you improve your game and avoid the risk of damaging the natural structure of the field. Number 1. Go Rangefinder. The Go Rangefinder is one of the most popular and cost-effective products available in the market. It comes with a slope function that allows you to determine the shot distance from the field accurately. It integrates all the latest functions, ensuring an accurate measurement from a distance. This product has a long-range measurement, making it a suitable option for professionals. This product features multi-coated optics lenses that reflect light, providing you with a precise measurement for accurate readings. You will also get an adjustable diopter that lets you focus on the display for precise readings. It comes in 2 models, so you can pick one depending on your need. We picked this as our top choice because of its range and accuracy. Number 2. Precision Pro Rangefinder. The Precision Pro Rangefinder is known for its ultra-fast laser speed that delivers accurate results quickly. It is made with an ergonomic design, allowing you to easily carry it from one place to the other. This pick is infused with professional quality slope technology, ensuring an accurate selection of club and shots. It boasts high-quality magnifying properties that provide you with crystal-clear optics. Built with crystal-clear optics, 6x magnification, and precise technology, the NX7 Pro Slope Golf Rangefinders for golfing produces quick yardage of a golf ball's distance to the hole and is easy to use, even for golfers with shaky hands. It has a long-range accuracy that lets you shoot the ball without worrying about damage to property or nature. The device vibrates when you hit a target, alerting when needed. It comes with a lifetime battery replacement, so you can use this rangefinder for a long time. Number 3. Callaway Rangefinder. The Callaway Rangefinder is known for precision and professionalism. It is a laser rangefinder that measures slope changes, allowing you to accurately choose the clubs and shot strength. It has 6x magnifying properties, so you can look at your surroundings from a distance. This product has a medium range measurement, making it a suitable option for people still learning the game. Equipped with 6x magnification, our rangefinders for golfing feature a range of 5 to 1,000 yards with +/1 yard accuracy and even measure in both yards and meters. This rangefinder vibrates every time you hit the target, leaving a notification about your performance. In addition, this product comes with an on/off switch for external slope, so you have a legal gadget to compete in tournaments. As an added plus, it comes with a complete case and a quick close band for durability and damage-resistant long-term use. Number 4. Tech Rangefinder. The Tech Rangefinder is a premium quality product that can measure a medium range distance, allowing users to strike and upgrade their skills. It boasts smart pin sensor technology with a water-resistant body that ensures durability and longevity. Additionally, the design is easy to hold and transport from one place to the other, offering portability. It also measures the products that come in the way, providing a complete overview of your surroundings. Designed with precision to provide fast measurement with 1 yard high accuracy, integrated with enhanced pin sensor technology to accurately measure overlapping subjects and continuous range readings, perfect for measuring golf flags, hazards, and wooded areas. It has a lightweight body, encouraging you to easily carry it from one place to the other. This rangefinder also features advanced, ultra-clear optics with lenses that deliver a high-quality viewing experience for all types of users. You will get a complete package, so there is no need to buy anything separately. Number 5. Vortex Rangefinder. The Vortex Rangefinder is a super long-range product that can measure up to 1,800 yards with maximum precision. It showcases a primary HCD mode that displays all the right angles to play a particular sport. Plus, the loss mode helps you precisely create angled shots, helping you upgrade your skill set. It integrates a scanning feature that lets you track the target, whether it's static or moving. You also get 3 brightness modes that maintain visibility regardless of the external conditions. The lenses are super accurate, ensuring a crystal clear picture when needed. Lastly, the Texture's rubber armor with a non-slip grip offers you durability for long-lasting use.